We'll guide you through how to fix the Face ID and passcode option missing or not showing on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So I just went and tried to go and change a setting regarding my Face ID and passcode, and the option is not showing and it's missing. I want to go and change what the Face ID can be used for, and I also want to go and change the passcode as well. So if I go and open up my settings like this, we can go and scroll through here and we'll go and find the option and setting is not there, it's missing. So to go about fixing this is actually much easier than you probably think, and it's to do with a restriction on your iPhone, which we can go and change. So what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and find the option for screen time just here. What you need to do is go and click on it. In here, you then need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for content and privacy restrictions. You want to go and tap on this here. Now, what you can do is go and completely disable these, which will go and be one option, or you can go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for allow changes to. You can then go and find passcode and Face ID, which you can then go and tap on. And what you need to do is go and change this to allow. So I can tap there. You need to go and enter in the screen time passcode if it's been set. In some cases, it may not have been. So I'll go and enter mine in. If you don't know it, you have to get the person who does know it to go and enter it. If you did set this up and you've forgotten it, what you'll need to do is you can come back here and you can scroll down to change screen time passcode, press there. You can either turn it off or go and change it. Let's say I press turn off, and you can press forgot passcode and you can then go through the process of recovering it through the Apple ID, which was set up. You can then allow the passcode and Face ID setting in the restrictions. And as you can see, the option is now appearing there. So I can go and tap on it like so. I can then go and enter in my passcode and we can then go and access these settings again and make the changes that we need to. So I could go and do that. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more useful guides just like this. There are loads more on the channel and loads more to come as well.